In this tutorial, we will learn how to access the config file using Teamviewer file transfer. If your Poltys server does not have XL on it, this is one way to access the config file so you can modify it. First, we will have to retrieve the file from the DCC VX. If the DCC VX is not open, double-click this icon to open the program. You're going to want to sign in the username admin using the password that was given to you by your Poltys dealer. Over here on the left side, we will click the Settings tab. Click the Export button to export the file you need to modify, then save it in a place you can find it later. I prefer to use the folder on the desktop labeled Poltys VX Files. Take note here that the config file is named Configuration and then has the date on it. Click Save. Now the config file is saved on the Poltys server. In order to move it to our computer, we'll use the Teamviewer toolbar across the top of the screen. Choose the File and Extras option, then Open File Transfer. In the open window, the Poltys server is the box on the right, and the box on the left is your own personal computer. Now we just need to find our file, and it is right here, Configuration 2019. It has the date. Find the location where we want to save it on our computer. I prefer to save mine on the desktop so I can find it easily. Then simply click your file and drag it over to your box, and it is moved over. Take note that it is there, configuration, and there's the date. Now we will just close the Teamviewer window and the file transfer window. Now here's the file. Double click it to open the file. We'll have to enable content because it has a lot of information on here. So here we find the file that we've been looking for. This is where we can edit the staff or the alarm generating devices or other areas. Once we're done making our edit, we will click Save and then close it out. We'll go to our Teamviewer window, open up the File and Extras, open File Transfer. Now you'll see that the file that we configured is right there. The one that we downloaded from the Poltys server is right here. I prefer to delete that file. You'll just have to click Delete and then choose Delete, just to make sure that you're getting the newest version on the Poltys server. Now simply do the reverse of what we did before. Click and drag the file to the Poltys computer. Close the file transfer. Click Import, and then find that file that we just uploaded. And there it is right there, and click Open. The file has now been changed. All that's left is to test the changes that you made.